Welcome to the StarNote channel. Today, I'll walk you through one of our free built-in planner templates, perfect for anyone who wants a simple system for annual planning and daily organization. This template comes fully designed with yearly, monthly, and weekly layouts, so you can start using it right away without setting anything up. The yearly section includes a full calendar, annual goals, and a budget page to help you plan long-term and review your progress at the end of the year. Each month has its own calendar and planning page where you can track highlights, study goals, or habits. The weekly layout helps you break big goals into smaller weekly tasks, making it easier to stay consistent. And if you love to customize, you can always add stickers or insert your own pages to make it fit your personal style. New year, new chapter. You don't have to have everything figured out. Just take it one page at a time.